Hello children, welcome back again. In this class we will discuss the question answers of lesson number 6, that is who I am. Yesterday I had given you to write the question answers and solve the exercise of lesson number 6. So today I will be discussing the answers with you. Let's see the first part of it. Answer the following questions. Peter's favorite day of the week is Sunday. Why? Because on this day his family goes for outing. So Sunday is a favorite day for him. You also like Sundays because on this day it's a day when your parents take you outside. The second one, Nasir wants to learn. Now what does he wants to learn? He wants to learn the art of seed preservation. Why he wants to preserve the seeds? Because he wants his father to grow new plants with the seeds that are already there in the field, so that his father has to spend less money in buying the seeds. Number 3, Dolma believes that she can make a good prime minister because now she wants to become a prime minister. Now what she must have? She has good leadership qualities in her. People come to her for ideas to begin new things and solutions to solve their problems. So she is good at solving the problems. So she can become a prime minister, or she can become a great personality in her life because she has got all these qualities. Okay, now let's move on to the second exercise, that is true or false. Let's see the first one. Peter is an only child. Now, when we say the statement is false, we must know the exact answer of it also. So, Peter is not only the child of his parents, the only child of his parents. He has two brothers also. So, he is not alone. Now, when Sarbjeet gets angry, he shouts at people. Now, this statement is false. Why it is false? Now see, here it is not asked to give the reason why the statement is false, but this is just for you to understand that whenever you are writing true or false, actually you must know what is the correct answer if you write the answer as false. So Sarbjeet doesn't get angry. What does he do? In order to hide that he is angry, he looks down and counts up to 10 in order to pacify his anger. So he doesn't shout at people. Okay, the third one, Nasir lives in the city. Now the statement is again false. Why? Because he does not live in the city, he lives in the village. Let's see the last one. Radha's mother enjoys doing things with her. The statement is correct because when we talked about her interest in climbing the tree, previously her mother told that it is not good for girls, but then when she climbed with her, she enjoyed. So this is all about the exercise of lesson number 6. Now in the next video I will be discussing the next exercise of part 2. So just if you have not copied down the answers in your notebook, please write this exercise in your notebook today itself. Thank you.